Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So the average of A, B and C is 23. If A is 11 and B is 9, then we have to find the value of C. So let's start the today's video solution step by step. So first we'll be going to use the average formula, that is average is equals to A plus B plus C by 3. So average is 23, where A is 11, B is 9, and we have to find the value of C. So 23 multiply 3 is equals to 11 plus 9 plus C. 69 equal 20 plus C. So 69 minus 20 equals C. So the value of C is 49. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.